All right, guys. So we're gonna stay tuned to the end of this video. Because at the end of this video, I will pop up a word on the screen that you have to leave in the comments, and it'll be randomly generated. The winner will be randomly generated with a random generator. But the winner of the drawing will receive this Star Wars Obi-Wan Kenobi Walgreens exclusive Funko Pop. It does have slight damage right here on the corner, but other than that, it's a really good pop. It sells for $40, but with this damage, it probably $30, $35. But still yet, at the end of this video, just find the keyword that I'll pop up and comment it down below and enter for your chance to win.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of an unboxing instead of an unbagging of a mystery box. So let's get started.
So we're going to set it down here. We've already cut it to kind of save some time here. I get to go first this time since she went first last time. All right, item number 1 says airmail. I guess I'll have to open this to find out what it is.
I guess.
Okay, let's see what we got here. I think it's a kind of looks like a harness for your dog or something.
Yeah, well, okay.
Yeah, no, it's a muzzle. It's a comfort dog muzzle.
It's a dog harness.
Well, I thought it was like a dog harness, but
it definitely wouldn't fit our dog if it was a dog harness.
So there's just a muzzle.
Okay, so next I am getting a Waterfly Enjoy Your Life.
We forgot to mention that this was purchased for $25 from Damon over on Facebook. I can't find the ad anymore, but it was $25 shipped, and it was a medium Amazon returns box.
Okay, so I'm opening this plastic just to give you guys a look, because there is stuff in here. So it's a Waterfly Enjoy Your Life little travel bag, and on the inside is another travel bag. Oh no, it comes out to be...
It's a backpack.
A backpack. Okay, so it's like a travel backpack, and you can compact it in to where it would fit in, I guess, another backpack.
Alright, moving on to the next item here. A Jade Roller. Product name Jade Roller, natural stone, aluminum, zinc, and alloy. Requires 1 AA battery. Vibration frequency about 6,000 vibes per minute.
Be professional.
I am. So, a Jade Roller.
That's like a face massager for those of you that don't know. It's a beauty thing. So next, looks kind of like it would be a dog jacket, and maybe it is. So I believe that's exactly what it is.
That?
Yeah, it's a jacket for a dog, a large dog, I'd say, and has a little insert for if you're walking your dog.
That'd fit our dog, I believe.
It would fit our dog. I wonder if his favorite color is red.
Our next item is going to be Finishing Touch Flawless Brows. Perfect for eyebrows, 18 karat gold plated. Flawless brows.
So the next item that I will be is a size large. And it is an Adidas jacket for a dog, but it don't look like it would fit a large dog. So maybe
It's still got dog hair on it.
Medium or probably a medium, maybe even a small.
Well, our next item is going to be a Rugged Armor Pro for the new iPad Pro 11. Looks like they cut the box up.
Pretty bad too.
Yep. We might be able to salvage that one.
Thanks. So in case we didn't mention, this was a $25 box. And then at the end of this video, we'll let you know if we think we can actually break even or maybe even get some profit. So the next item is little plastic farm animals. I don't know about you guys, but when I was growing up, I had a little play barn and I wanted these farm animals. I would almost have killed for them. I loved them.
Well, our next item is either pure white or warm white. Pure white oxyled.com.
It's a 3-pack.
So let's open this up.
Light bulbs.
Motion sensor closet light is what this is. So there's a 3-pack of motion sensor closet lights.
Well, let's see if these aren't sealed. We'll show them what.
And it requires 4 AAA batteries that are not included.
Okay, so it wasn't sealed up or anything, but they are brand new. They have some like command strip on the back. Well, 3M strip on the back, so you can just hang them basically wherever you want, and then it has like a little motion light up there. So
that's kind of neat.
Might actually need to put that in our closet.
Yeah, because our closet doesn't have any lights. So.
True.
All right. I'll deal with this. If you want to go on to the next item.
Okay. So the next item, my luck will pull out something for animals. Is not for animals. It is house shoes. And Ultra Ideas small size 7, 8. So if anybody out there who just absolutely loves their house shoes, if you love wearing your house shoes in the house, just leave a comment below and let us know what kind of house shoes that you guys really enjoy. I personally prefer to go around barefooted or just in my Converse around the house. That's just me. He likes his slides. I like my Converse or barefoot.
Well, don't forget about your Jack Skellington.
My Jack Skellington slippers. Non-slip slippers because I am very clumsy.
Well, our next item is going to be... Well, let's open it up here and find out exactly what this is. I think it looks like it might be a desk light.
Oh, I was thinking it was one of those pull things for the sink. I was wrong.
Well, there's the adapter. And the desk light. You know what we could do? We could actually plug it up and see if it actually works.
Mm-hmm. What's up here? Oh, I like those. Hopefully you guys can see those and they're not completely blinding you. But I like the colored ones. Yeah, those are nice. So as you can see, they do have different settings. I wouldn't suggest you stare into them like I did, but that is actually pretty neat. So
yeah, we'll have to figure out a brand name on these or something.
Definitely looks up some comps on those, and if it doesn't go for much, we'll keep them. Okay, so next, it is a dog toy, a ducky. I don't think there's really much to say about these. It squeaks. So if you guys are looking for
squeaky dog
a
toy.
squeaky duck dog toy, then just let us know because we have one for you. Also, for those of y'all that do not wear house shoes, if y'all have dogs, let us know what your dog's favorite toy is, because our dog loves tennis balls. Absolutely loves them. And also, while we're right here in the midst of this talking about dog toys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube if you like this kind of video. We really do enjoy making them, so if you would just let us know if you guys actually like to watch them.
Well, our next item is going to be an Jank radio alarm clock. Dual alarm clock, snooze, 12 or 24 hours, 5 optional dimmers. It has the temperature, it's a 3.2-inch display, FM radio, and a dual USB charger. We might have to keep that one.
Yeah. Alright, so it looks like the last item is actually going to be looks like a tablet, iPad, whatever kind of tablet that you use, carrying case. So, looks like it's still pretty brand new. Got the styrofoam and everything still in it. Has a little place for, I guess, a stylus. Yeah. So, and that's actually making it look like leather, so that's really nice.
Well, guys, my opinion on this box was, is it worth $25? Yes, I believe with most of these items, if not all of them, we could definitely double our profit. So, what was your take on it?
Well, I actually did enjoy like everything that was within the box, especially like the dog stuff, like the dog jacket and stuff like that was really nice, especially around this time of year where it's sunny one day and then it just blizzards the next.
That's that Tennessee weather.
So yeah, so I really did enjoy this box. I enjoyed doing it with you guys, but I believe it was worth the $25, but I'm really not sure that we could double our profit. But I'd say we'd probably make a pretty good profit. Maybe close to double, but not 100% double the profit.
Well, guys, that's going to conclude this video. Just remember, guys, like she said earlier, like and subscribe the video, share it.
Click that notification bell.
Yeah, we're over 800 views now. We're just a couple away from getting 40 subscribers. But yeah, just remember, there's always somebody out there that's got it harder than you do.
And keep on keeping on.